Hi bag makers, welcome back. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. I'm so excited to be sharing with you my latest sewing pattern, the Callie Crossbody bag. You can get this pattern available on my website at sewyours.com. Now you can carry Callie Crossbody or you can create a shoulder strap like I have here and just carry it right over your shoulder. When I designed Callie, I knew that I wanted to create a slouchy designed bag and I wanted it to be a crossbody bag. So this was my prototype. And this is actually the bag that I've been carrying for the last several months. I never really liked a bag that did not have structure to it, but now I actually do. I really enjoy this bag. I can fit a lot of stuff in it. There's lots of different pockets to keep all of my stuff organized. And when I'm carrying this crossbody, it sits nice and flush against my body, and it kind of feels cozy or like a security blanket. And I know that sounds really strange, but that's the way that I can word it. To achieve that slouchy design, I went with a lightweight vinyl. I did not use any stabilizer on the vinyl. My lining does have, and it is quilting cotton, and it does have woven interfacing on it, such as Pellon SF101. A couple of my newer bags that I did create does have my new interfacing on it that I sell on my website, and that is called Sew Woven Fusible Interfacing. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to go ahead and check it out. I am low in stock and I am getting a restock in the next 30 days. So you might have to check back in the future if I am sold out. If you decide to make this all in quilting cotton, I would recommend fusible fleece on your front and back lining panels as well as your gusset. So this is the bag that I created in the pattern. I used a denim and a duck canvas or a duck cotton, something like that. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. And so I did use fusible fleece interfacing on the lining panels and the gusset. The hardware. I will be offering hardware kits in limited quantities on my website. So let me tell you what will be in those hardware kits. You'll get 2 of these large O-rings. They're 45 millimeters. You'll get 2 swivel snap hooks, 3 of these strap ends, 2 D-rings, and 10 rivets. In addition, you will also be receiving a zipper end right here as well. Now, you might be wondering why these D-rings are right here. These can serve a purpose or they can just be decorative. So on the bag right now, they're just decorative. But if you want to look at this bag right here, I've got my crossbody strap on my D-ring, which is my primary way of carrying. But then I can take my shoulder strap right here and I can clip it to these lower D-rings. And I can just keep the shoulder strap with me in case I ever want to carry it. And I'll just let it hang on the back side of the bag right there. Another way that you can utilize these decorative D-rings here on the side is you can create a nice large tassel that creates some more visual interest on the bag and some movement. So that's another option for you. I also have 2 ways of making a crossbody strap or a shoulder strap in the pattern. You can do your traditional 4-inch wide fabric folded over to make a 1-inch strap, like right here. I call this my standard strap. Or you can create a 2-tone strap, like I have right here. So I give you the instructions on how to do that in the pattern. I personally love a 2-tone strap. That's kind of my newest favorite way to make my straps, so that's an option for you. This particular bag has a slight bit more structure to it, and that's because I did not use a lightweight vinyl on here. This is actually a marine vinyl that I use, so it is a little bit thicker. So I again recommend a lightweight vinyl, and let me show you what I mean by that. My vinyl has fallen on the floor here. So this is a lightweight vinyl. So there's not very much structure to it. It's just a little bit more structured than like quilting cotton. Whereas this is another sample. This has a little bit more structure to it. This is more comparable to like a marine vinyl. I don't have my marine vinyl right now, but you can kind of see the difference, hopefully on the camera, of these 2 different vinyls. So stick with your lighter weight vinyls. Now, if you like a structured bag and you don't want it slouchy, make it your own and add some stabilizer, such as Decavol Light or fusible foam to your bag. You can completely do that if you want to do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the bags that my testers have made and the way that they have interpreted the pattern and the way that they've used their fabrics. They have all done an amazing job. Their bags are beautiful and they make the Callie Crossbody look amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and share some pictures here on the screen and we'll talk about those bags. So I'm just going to point out some of the differences that I've noticed among the tester bags and also point out some of the features of this bag. So the Callie Crossbody has a front exterior zipper pocket, and it also has a zipper pocket in the lining as well as some slip pockets as well, as you can see right here. Shara went ahead and made this gorgeous green vinyl paired with this floral print, and you can see the back exterior zipper pocket there as well. So another great feature. I like to keep my cell phone in that pocket. And then this one, they went ahead and removed the center accent piece to be able to feature that panel on the front exterior pocket. So I loved that idea and that variation as well. So you can go ahead and switch it up. Look at those chunky strap ends on the strap connector right there that Kathleen used. Really pops against that basket weave vinyl in black. Love that a lot. Callie also looks great in a solid color. Makes for really a classic handbag or a classic crossbody. I can see many women carrying this bag, so this might be a great seller for your store. And look at this vinyl and all of this beautiful color. Absolutely loved how she paired this purple vinyl with this looks like rose print vinyl as well. Stunning. And this one, it just looks high end to me. Absolutely love how she paired her fabrics and her hardware. Zeddy went ahead and used another floral print here with this beautiful mint of vinyl and topped it off with this rainbow zipper. Beautiful, and I love Zeddy's modeling photos that she always does for me, so thank you so much, Zeddy. Patricia went and made two Callie Crossbodies this time around, and you can see her take on one of them there on the right. A little bit different because she made her gusset in the printed fabric rather than a solid fabric, so that gives another look to the bag. And lastly, we have Hillary's. Hillary loves to use Disney fabric, so I believe this is a Disney print of some sort, and it really pops against the, I think it's black vinyl that she used right there, so loving that one. I think I have pretty much covered everything about the Callie Crossbody bag. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments box below and I will get back to you. Check out that sewing tutorial and purchase your pattern on my website at sewyours.com. Thank you.